Joseph County, a revealing and emotional day of twists and turns in the trial against Douglas Stewart.
I handed it to her and gave her a kiss on the cheek. She went back in the house. It's the last time I ever seen her.
Thank you, Lorna.
Venus Stewart's grandfather recounted the last moments when he saw his granddaughter, days before her disappearance nearly a year ago. Today, a bombshell revelation in court that a woman called the grandfather pretending to be Venus. The first time we've heard of a possible second accomplice and a woman being involved in the crime.
She said that she left with somebody else. Then it was all clear. But whenever I ask a question, I got the, "Oh, Grandpa, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry." She went into this mode. But when I tried to pin her down, I thought, well, I'm not talking to Venus. Somebody's pulling a cruel joke on me.
Another big development today. Testimony in the case was halted early because of controversy surrounding Doug's alleged accomplice, Richard Spencer. 24-hour News 8's Danny Carlson's been following this trial, and she picks up the story from there. Danny?
Doug Stewart's alleged accomplice, Ricky Spencer, took the stand today and said he wanted to testify, even though he knows he might face the death penalty in another state.
Okay, let's go back on the record on the People versus Douglas Stewart.
Doug Stewart's charged and on trial in St. Joseph County, but prosecutors say he and Ricky Spencer planned and carried out the murder plan in several different states.
Here's why it matters. Virginia, Ohio, Delaware have the death penalty. We don't have that in this state.
For the testimony you're about to give in this case.
Ricky Spencer, Doug Stewart's alleged accomplice, has immunity here in St. Joseph County as long as he tells the truth on the stand, and will serve up to a year in jail for his role in the alleged murder.
Why don't you believe that your son meant to kill Venus?
He's a gentle, loving young man. Always has been. Never given us any trouble at all. Up until this ordeal.
I know in my heart that my son would never harm anyone.
But in order to get that deal, he has to testify about how he broke the law and exactly how he allegedly helped Doug Stewart carry out the murder of his wife, Venus.
I can get charged, not the state.
But even knowing all of that, Ricky Spencer says that he wants to testify. Now, the judge decided to postpone that testimony until Monday, so both sides, the defense and the prosecution, can decide how much they want the jury to know about the prosecution's deal with Spencer. We will be here bright and early on Monday morning to cover that for you. In Centerville tonight, Danny Carlson, 24-hour News 8.